Hey everybody, it is Greg Hawks and I am sourcing in real life today. I just wanted to show everybody something I came across yesterday when I was doing a search for an AI governance position. Let me share my screen, I want to show you my vortex. So let me make this bigger for everybody to see. So I was doing some regular searching. I was actually searching for AI governance position. And you see these little AI type of things pop up. What LinkedIn Recruiter now has AI search that you can utilize. So if you're not great at Boolean or you're not getting the kind of search results that you're looking for, you can. Oh, did it just change on me? No. So I'm just going to do this. So I was searching for data governance people, and so it puts this up so you can conduct a search based on some of the things that you've entered LinkedIn recently. So it's creating a search. And so, I mean, it's like anything, it's not going to be perfect, but it's just a different way to search. So I was building out a presentation for using AI technologies to search, and look at this. I mean, this is built in, right? So if you have LinkedIn Recruiter, definitely try it and see what you can come up with. Add top companies for analysts, show me suggested skills. You can edit the filters on the left, show filters. Let's show the filters. And I'm not looking for an analyst. Let me just take out analyst and just run my search by looking at one location. And what I did notice is that I don't see. That's one. No, that's New Jersey. Let me take my caps lock off. I don't see a zip code search anymore. It's North Towanda. Yeah, there we go. And so it's parsing. It's adjusting the search based on some of the filters that I'm adding. I'm looking for more a strategic leader type of person, but it's got all the filters here. Let me see if they've got. Oh, they do have zip code. They do have zip code. You just have to go to the filter. There we go. Let me do that. Maybe they added that in. I didn't remember seeing that. Within just do 50 miles. Let's take this out. Always use the filters. Even when you're running an AI search, always use filters. It'll help hone in on your target. Yeah, that looks better. This person looks great, actually. Not bad. So again, I'm always using AI, and whenever I see something like this pop up, I use AI to help hone in my search, and it's really helpful for that sort of thing. If you're looking for something super niche, you might want to switch to Boolean, but every little bit helps. But this type of stuff is being incorporated in all different websites in all realms. So whenever I see something like this pop up, I always take note. So I want to save this. And again, this is in Recruiter. Save as a new search. I want to come back to this when I get a chance. Let me try to look for something else. Because I'm definitely going to come back to that. Name it the same thing. Sure, I'll just use that one. That's fine. Okay, so I have this search saved. I come back to it. Let me go back to the top of Recruiter. And I've got some more suggestions here. Look at that. You can click on more and get more suggestions. Seeking directors with long-term experience. Aiming to find AI government specialist in Buffalo we haven't reached out to yet. Okay, let's click on that and see what happens. Prompt the AI or start a keyword search. You've got two options here. So, and that's kind of cool that even if you're not a Boolean expert, and of course I bring no results because it's too narrow. Let me actually run another search, completely new. Let me see what I'm working on. Hold on just a second. I need to pull up my assignment document here. Well, they're IT audit managers. I can do that. IT auditors. Yeah, I can do that. That's great. You've got two options. You can prompt the search, or you can use a keyword search. Both viable options. Whatever gets you to the people that you need. Look at this. So I kind of skipped using the filters. This might be a good way. You can prompt your way into a quicker search. And I know we all use LinkedIn. We've all seen this before, but I think that this, especially with the speed that we need to get to the likely candidates, this is a great improvement. Because this person right here looks absolutely somebody that I would reach out and talk to. Senior IT auditor. 33% of your current results are female. That's great for diversity. And it gives you some suggestions there. So yeah, I mean, this is great. I'm not looking at Boston or Massachusetts, but actually we might be considering people from there. But again, I was looking at the New England area, not really specifying a specific area. So it's pulling people from there. Like I know Boston, Rhode Island. Yeah, that's New England, New Hampshire. So I get more specific with location. But I mean, to start out, if this is a brand new area that I'm exploring, or I'm not really sure where to start, looking at edit locations too. That's great. So I don't want Maine. I don't want Massachusetts. I want Rhode Island or Vermont, maybe New Hampshire. Let me add in Delaware. Actually, Wilmington, Delaware. That's where we're looking. Wilmington. So I mean, this is what sourcing in real life's all about. Wilmington, Delaware. What's another location? Baltimore. If I can spell right, Baltimore. And of course, where our headquarters is located, Buffalo, New York, and Niagara. Okay. And yeah, so CISA, yes. That's one of the people I pulled up earlier. So these are all folks, some of these look familiar. These are all folks that look viable. So yeah, I mean, this might be the first one that doesn't match exactly what we're looking for in data analyst, but she was an IT auditor previously. So I'll take a look at her. So again, whenever new technology comes out, whenever AI technology comes out, I'm always a little skeptical. But the best way to test it is to use it. And I mean, I've been looking for IT auditors for quite a while now, so I kind of know what we're looking for. That's not always the case. If you're starting a new position, you may not have no idea where to start. So this is a good way to shortcut your way into finding a short list. But look, you can add Sarbanes-Oxley. I actually don't want to look for Sarbanes-Oxley, Sarbanes-Oxley or SOX, like Power BI if that's a ideal skill. But again, it's about utilizing the prompt at first, entering whatever you're looking for, like good old Google. Basically, you're asking Google what to look for. It's no different. You're asking LinkedIn Recruiter what to look for, and then you're refining your results. So really glad to see this type of stuff. We're going to see a lot more of this type of stuff, and we're already seeing a lot of this stuff already integrated within Google, and I think Bing is now fully integrated with Gemini. And yeah, like the different search sites like Google and Yahoo and DuckDuckGo. Now we have AI sites and co-pilots and all kinds of things that we're utilizing. But it's all about finding what works for you. So, but yeah, definitely check it out. Let me just go back here and show you again in case you missed it. And I actually want to see if it'll give me some suggestions as far as, so it's still stuck on data governance because I recently searched for that. Let me try to reload this and see what happens. Okay. It's still stuck on governance, so I wonder how I can get out of governance. Is it the most recent saved search? Let me see if I save this. Oh, there's auditors. You just have to keep going for it. Find information technology auditors in Wilmington who I have a message. Okay. So just ask the robot. You can, let's see what this is. We'll do that. I meant to do the other one. I meant to do a keyword. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Oh, I already broke it. Already broke it. I'm just going to pick any one of these now. No, here we go. Start a keyword search. Same deal. You've got a keyword searching for, so I guess they have NLP built into this now, which is good because it'll help with searching in general. But again, I just broke it. So maybe go the AI side first, because I think the AI side is probably integrated with ChatGPT or something. But yeah, thanks for those of you that dropped by. Hopefully my audio was okay. I will continue to post stuff like this. And I'll put this up on Facebook and on YouTube and stuff like that so everybody can see it. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you on the next one.